Learn to draw library hare. You'll need paper, a pencil, and a fine liner or felt tip for later. This will go fast, so pause as much as you like. Draw a square in the centre of your page with slightly rounded edges. Then a diagonal line longer than half your square. 2 small lines to join it all up. An eye in the middle of your square. Then an eyebrow in any style you like. 2 dots up high and over to the left give you a guide to drawing your hare's ears. A nice big curve for the back of your hair. Then another for the front. And a straight line along the bottom to finish the body shape. A smooth curve to create the tail shape. 2 dots to mark the top of the leg. And another under the body over to the left. A nice curved line for the front of the leg. And another curve from dot to dot. Then you can complete your hare's foot. Draw the same foot shape again for the other one. A V-shaped nose and a line down. Then your whiskers. A shape inside your ear. Some claws. And anything you'd like your hare to be holding. It's time to go over your hair in pen, making any changes you like. You can make some of your lines furry. And add a smile too. Gently rub out your pencil lines. And add some colour if you like. Thanks for drawing with us. And look out for our other drawing videos. Please share your drawings with the hashtag #HackneyLibraryHare.